Hello, my name is Shivam Sundam, founder and CEO of SkillDev from India. Today, millions of students are learning every single day, but learning is not turning into earning. Degree and certificate are everywhere, at real jobs and real opportunities remain out of reach. At the same time, companies struggle to find jobs, ready talent they can truly trust. This gap between learning and livelihood is the problem SkillDev is built to solve. The current system has three serious and deep problems. First, education does not guarantee earning. Students finish courses but still remain unemployable. Second, hiring does not prove real skills. Companies rely on resumes and degrees instead of actual ability. Third, mentorship is broken and scared. Learners do not get the right guidance at the right time. These problems waste time, money, and human potentials for millions of learners, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 regions of India. SkillDev is an AI-powered skill intelligence platform that converts learning into verified skills and real economics outcomes. We bring learners, mentors, and employers into one outcome-focused platform. Our approach is simple and powerful. Learn, build, validate, earn, or hire. Learners do not just watch content. They build real projects. Their skills are validated through proof of work and assessments. This verified skills proof is visible to employers. SkillDev makes learning measurable, trusted, and accountable. On SkillDev, learners follow skill-based learning pathway. They work on real-world projects. Their skills are validated using AI-assisted assessment and proof of work. Mentor guide learners based on outcomes, not just theory. Employers hire with confidence because they see what our learners can actually do, not just what is written on a resume. Learning, mentorship, and hiring work together as one systems. Our primary users are students and early professionals, especially from Tier 2 and Tier 3 from India. India has over 100 million learners actively searching for job-ready skills. At the same time, employers are moving away from degree-based hiring toward skill-based hiring and project-based hiring. This creates a large and growing opportunities for platforms that deliver real outcomes, not just content. SkillDev aligns strongly with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 4 Quality Education by focusing on outcomes, not just certificates. SDG 8 Decent Birth and Economics Growth by enabling fair hiring based on verified skills. We believe real impact grows when skills are trusted. SkillDev is currently at the MVP stage. Our focus is validate early users and continuous improvement through feedback. In the next phase, we aim to scale skills track, mentorship program, and employer partnership, and introduce AI-based skill credibility scoring. Our long-term vision is clear: to make skill more valuable than certificates and help learners turn learning into real earning. SkillDev is not just an ad tech platform. It is a bridge between learning, earning, mentorship, and hiring. We believe talent exists everywhere, but opportunity does not. SkillDev is built to change that. Thank you very much.